How to advertise a local business effectively in 2025. In today's fast paced world, advertising a local business can seem like a daunting task, especially with the ever evolving digital landscape. But fear not, because in 2025, there are more effective strategies than ever to reach your community and make your business shine. First, focus on building a strong online presence. Make sure your business is listed on Google My Business. This will improve your visibility in local search results and allow customers to find important information such as your address, phone number, and hours of operation. Second, leverage social media platforms. Utilize Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to engage with your audience by sharing engaging content, behind the scenes looks, and special promotions. Utilize targeted ads on these platforms to reach specific demographics within your local area. Third, collaborate with local influencers. Find influencers within your community who align with your brand and partner with them to promote your services or products. Their endorsement can significantly enhance your business's credibility and reach. Fourth, invest in quality content marketing. Create valuable content that resonates with your audience, such as blog posts, videos, or podcasts related to your industry. Share this content on your website and social media channels to position your business as an industry leader. Fifth, participate in community events. Sponsor or host local events, workshops, or meetups to engage with your community directly. Building these personal connections can lead to word of mouth referrals and increase your business's visibility. Finally, don't forget about traditional advertising methods. Flyers, local newspaper ads, and radio spots can still be effective, especially if your target audience includes individuals who may not be as digitally connected. A multifaceted approach that combines digital and traditional advertising methods is often most effective.